In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the chart feature in Monday.com. This is a quick tutorial designed to help you effectively visualize your data and gain valuable insights from it. If you're looking to create a visually appealing representation of your data, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First things first, you'll need to open your browser and go to Monday.com. Once you're there, locate the login button positioned at the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this will take you to the login screen where you have a couple of options. Now you can either click on sign in with Google if that's more convenient for you, or you can enter the email address associated with your Monday.com account. If you choose to go with the Google sign in option, all you need to do is select the appropriate account from the list that will pop up. Make sure you're using the correct email address to ensure access to the right projects and data. With your account now open, focus your attention on the main board that you are currently working on. You'll spot a plus sign button right beside the main table tab. Go ahead and click that plus sign. This button is your gateway to adding various elements to your board, such as files, dashboards, and importantly for us today, charts. As you're looking at the options, you'll want to find and select chart from the list. A single click on chart will trigger Monday.com to automatically create a chart based on the data you currently have on your board. This is an excellent feature because it saves time by automatically generating a helpful visualization of your existing data. Once your chart is created, you'll likely want to customize it to make sure it's tailored to your specific needs. To do this, look towards the upper right corner of the chart where you'll see a three-dotted line, often referred to as an options menu. Clicking here will open up more customization settings. Selecting settings will allow you to tailor the chart. These options provide you flexibility, whether it's changing the chart type, color schemes, data points, or other visual configurations to suit your objectives and preferences better. By making these adjustments, you can ensure that the chart reflects exactly what you need it to convey, helping you and your team make informed decisions based on clear and concise data visualizations. So take advantage of these customization tools to get the most out of your Monday.com charts. That's it for today's tutorial. You should now have a fully customized chart that serves your project needs. Thank you for watching, and happy charting on Monday.com.